read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Me Sayyida Bayam Nakwi from the Moonlight International Publishers. My sweet students, how are you? It's fun time. Look at your book. What is this? It's one tomato and two balls. Here is a task that you have to fulfill. You will do red color in one object and blue color in two objects. What is one? One tomato, two balls. So, we will do red color in tomato and blue color in two balls. Let's start. First of all, we will fill the boundary. Okay? And then we will do colors. And you will speak it out. One tomato, one tomato. Up and down, up and down. One tomato. Up and down, up and down. Very good. Now, here are two balls. First of all, we will fill the boundary. Then we will say two balls. Up and down, up and down. And my second activity is, I will never help you. You will help the bunny to go its home. He wants to eat the carrot. Red, yummy, juicy carrot. And you all will help him to eat the carrot. Okay? So, do your activity. On next page, you will write number 1 and number 2. When you will write number 1, you will say, start from the dot, come straight down, it will make number 1. And on number 2, you will say, make a cap, comes and down, make sleeping line. It will make number 2. Now it's time to say goodbye.